Hello friends, welcome back to my channel The Indian Mom's Kitchen. Today's video is a pickle video. I will be showing you how to make pickles. Normally pickles in India are made during the summer months, but this is a Goan Brinjal Pickle or a Goan Eggplant Pickle. This is done when any vegetable, it is ideally done with brinjals, big brinjals, but even other vegetables like carrots or ivy gourd, or as it's called tainli, when they are in season you can make pickles with them, and this Goan pickle is extremely addictive and yummy. So let's begin today's recipe. For this I've taken 2 large eggplants or brinjals. I'm removing the stem, cutting these brinjal into 1-inch length pieces. Once all the brinjal is cut into pieces, add 2 teaspoons of salt, mix well and keep it aside to sweat for 4 hours. After 4 hours you'll see that the brinjal has reduced in size and left a lot of liquid. Squeeze out the liquid and keep the brinjal pieces aside. Discard the residual liquid, we don't need it. Now in a pan, heat up half a cup of oil and fry these brinjal pieces till it's golden brown. Once the brinjal has become nice and golden, remove from the oil and keep aside. Now to make the masala for the pickle, I've taken 1 teaspoon of cumin in a blending jar, 15 to 16 cloves of garlic, 4 to 5 dry Kashmiri Chillies, half a teaspoon of turmeric or haldi, 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, salt to taste, and here I've taken 3/4 cup of vinegar. I've used apple cider vinegar. I'm not using water to grind, but I'm using the vinegar to grind into a fine paste. Keep this blended paste aside. Then into the same oil, add a handful of sliced garlic or Lehsun, a handful of sliced ginger or Adrak, a handful of curry patta or curry leaves. Saute till the garlic and ginger has gone nice and crisp. Then to this add the ground paste. Saute till the oil separates from the paste. Then add the remaining vinegar and mix well. To this I'm adding 3/4 cup of jaggery or gourd. I've used organic jaggery, you can use the lighter version of it too. Mix well. Once the jaggery has started melting, add the fried pieces of brinjal. Continue mixing and let this whole mixture simmer for 2 to 3 minutes at least. Cool down the pickle and store this pickle in airtight glass or ceramic jars. This will remain good for a long time. You can use it as and when you please. Your absolutely yummy brinjal or eggplant pickle is ready to be eaten. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on and share this video among your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do so now and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.